Are there any health benefits to beer? You bet. That's next on our Beer Culture Moment. Are there health benefits to beer? There are. So let's step through some of them. Beer is nutritious, full of antioxidants, and it's higher in protein and vitamin B than wine. It also contains iron, calcium, phosphates, and fiber. The New England Journal of Medicine reports that moderate beer consumption may make you less likely to have a heart attack, stroke, or heart disease. Beer also helps prevent kidney stones. According to a recent study, it may cut the risk by up to 41%. Hoppy beers like pale ales are rich in kidney health promoting phytochemicals. Beer lowers bad cholesterol. More than likely it's due to the soluble fiber that is contained in beer. Beer strengthens bones due to its high silicon content, which also prevents osteoporosis, which is a bone thinning disease. Researchers found that drinking 2 glasses of beer a day reduces work-related stress and anxiety, though I don't recommend self-medicating if you have those issues, because why would you want to trade one problem for just another? Beer may help improve memory. Hops actually has an ingredient in it that slows down degenerative memory processes. The ingredient could help protect the brain cells from damage associated with dementia. However, the doses in that study were much higher than you'd ever get from drinking beer. Studies showed that in middle-aged individuals, beer actually helps cognitive function. Lastly, all these cases are based on moderate beer consumption. So that would be 1 drink per day for a female and 2 drinks per day for a male. So in moderation, there may indeed be some health benefits in drinking beer, but of course excessive drinking would certainly negate any of the things that we just talked about. And that's our Beer Culture Moment. This has been a Matty Boy presentation. Say bye-bye, Matty.